Hey guys, Mr. McGann. Today we're going to look at finding area and perimeter of unique two-dimensional shapes. So we're going to be looking at shapes, that are a little different than just squares and rectangles and parallelograms and trapezoids and triangles. We're going to look at shapes maybe that are combinations of those things. All right, so let's start out with this shape. This is kind of like a U kind of shape almost. We don't have a formula for a U shape, so we have to take this shape and make it into something that we are familiar with, that we do have formulas for. So one way I do this is, I could draw a little line down to here, I can draw a little line down to here, and now I have a rectangle, which I certainly can find area. I have a rectangle, I can find that area, and I have another rectangle, I can find that area. Okay. To do that, though, I need numbers or dimensions that I don't see. Like here, there's no number here. But if I look over here at this 8, it's the same height as this, so this is also 8 centimeters. If I look here, down here, that's the same as up here, and that's 4, so that's 4 centimeters. This right here is the same as up here. That's 4, so that's 4. And then down here, this is the same as up here, so this is also 4. And once I have that, I can figure out my areas. So let's just call this 1, 2, and 3. So the area of, let's say, the rectangle 1, length times width, and it's 4 times 8, which is 32. Area of rectangle 2, which is this guy right here, which is actually a square. So I could use the square formula, s squared, which is 4 squared, so area of 16. And then the area of rectangle 3, length times width, and it's also 4 times 8, like the first one, 32. So if I want to find my total area of this U-shaped figure, I can just add those 3 areas up, 32 plus 16 plus 32, 48, 70, like 80, and it was centimeters squared. All right, so that's the area. All right, now perimeter. My perimeter, remember, is distance around. So I've got to find each of those and add them all up. So I already kind of did that in the previous problem. I know that this is 8 over here. I know this is 4. This is 4. And this is 4. So I can just kind of go right around. Perimeter, actually, let's do it down here. This is going to be a lot. Perimeter equals, start right here, 8 plus, going right here, 4 plus, going down, 4 plus, going across, 4 plus, this is 4 also, 4, that one right there, plus, now we're going this way, 4 plus, now we're coming down, 8 plus, going from there to there, 4 plus another 4 plus another 4. Now I've gone completely around. This is where we started at. Add those all up. 8 plus 4 is 12, plus 4 is 16, plus 4 20, plus 4 24, plus 4 28, plus 8 36, plus 4 40, plus 4 44, plus 4 48. So add them all up, I get 48, and it's centimeters. So the perimeter of this unique shape, this L-shaped figure, is 48 centimeters. All right, now we have this square with like a little triangle on top. So, I kind of don't think about it as like, this weird shape like that. I think about it as a triangle and a square. I treat them differently. And then I'll add them up at the end. So for area, we'll start with the triangle. 1/2 base times height. 1/2. So here's the base of the triangle. 3. Here's the height of the triangle, 4. 1/2 times 3 times 4 is 6. Alright, now we have this square area equals s squared, and s happens to be 10. 10 squared is 100. And now for the total area of the whole shape, I'm going to add the 2 up. 6 for the area of the triangle, 100 for the area of the square. I get 106. And there's no units of measure, no labels, so we can say units squared. 106 units squared. Alright, now same figure, but we need the perimeter this time. So let's start right here. We're just going to work our way around. So up to there is 10, plus, there to there is 7, plus, from there to there is 5, plus, from there to there is 4, plus, from there to there is 10, and then finish it off as another 10. Notice there's another number, but that number we don't need for perimeter because perimeter is just outside and that's inside the figure. All right, we're going to add these up. 10 plus 7, 17, plus 5, 22, plus 4, 26, plus 10, 36, plus 10, 46. 46, once again, units. Just units, not units squared, because we're dealing with perimeter. And that's the perimeter. Alright, so that's area and perimeter of unique shapes. Break them into shapes that you are familiar with. Find the individual areas, add them up. And then perimeter, just go all the way around the figure, adding up all the sides. Don't include anything on the inside. Alright, good luck, guys.